In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit copyright text in a Shopify Dawn theme footer. So what we're going to have to do is first just log in your Shopify account, and we're going to have to head over to online store. And then here we have the three dots here. Click on it and then select edit code, please. Now here we're going to have to search for footer liquid. Now I already have this open because I just tested a couple of things, but for you, just click on here, search in the search bar here, and then write liquid. And now here press Ctrl plus F, and here please write copy right, and press on next, or instead of next you can also please press enter. And now here, if we want to edit something, let's say I will like to just open this new tab. So I can go to customize. And here at the bottom, I can see this 2024. And here I would like to add copyright. Let's say here. So I'm gonna write here. Where is it? Let me zoom in. So here you can see, here I can tab and write copy right and save. Now let's see if it works. Let's refresh. And now at the bottom we should have copyright. So we have copyright. So maybe where it says powered by, where is it? This here, my store powered by Shopify. We'd like to edit that as well. And I'm going to show you how to do it. But why would you want to remove powered by Shopify? And there are a couple of reasons. First of the many reasons is that you might want to your brand to take the center stage and avoid promoting another business on your website. That's one of the reasons. And also maybe you might have a specific information you want to display in the footer, such as copyright information, contact details, or social media links. So that just occupies some space for nothing, nothing really. Also, you might want to have a clean and custom footer that contribute to a more professional look for your website. So that's another reason. And now let me show you how you can remove powered by Shopify text from your website footer. To actually achieve this is quite easy. So what you have to do is to exit. Let's exit this. And here, you see three dots. Let's click on three dots and select edit. Not here, but edit default theme content. Edit default theme content. And now here we're gonna write powered, and just write power, and here we have the result, powered by Shopify HTML, and we just delete this, and that's quite easy. But make sure you save. So save, and now content incomplete. And now let's see if it actually worked. Okay, it didn't work. Should work. Okay, so let's try again. And okay, if you add space, make sure you add space, and then you click on save. Now it should work just fine. Now let's update. And let's see now it worked. We now have Powered by Shopify. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.